Dear friends, welcome back to Zenith Bites. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into a diabetic-friendly meal plan that will help you manage your blood sugar levels and stay healthy. Let's get started. 1. Breakfast ideas. First up, breakfast. A great way to start your day is with a balanced meal that includes protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Consider a spinach and mushroom omelette with whole grain toast. Or, if you're in a hurry, a Greek yogurt parfait with mushroom and a sprinkle of chia seeds is a fantastic option. 2. Snack suggestions. For snacks, you want to choose options that won't spike your blood sugar. Try raw almonds or a small apple with peanut butter. These snacks are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Part 3. Lunch options. Lunch should be filling yet light. How about a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, avocado, and a light vinaigrette? Or a quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables and a lean protein like tofu or fish? 4. Dinner choices. For dinner, keep it simple and healthy. Baked salmon with a side of steamed broccoli and a small portion of brown rice is a perfect choice. Alternatively, a stir-fry with chicken and plenty of colorful veggies over cauliflower rice is another delicious option. 5. Dessert ideas. Yes, you can enjoy desserts too. A small bowl of mixed berries with a dollop of whipped cream or a piece of dark chocolate can satisfy your sweet tooth without causing a blood sugar spike. Conclusion. And there you have it. A simple, delicious, and diabetic-friendly meal plan. Remember, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and meal plans.